Hi folks, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. Let's learn vocabulary with the help of opposites. Don't miss this video. Watch till the end. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's begin.
Angel is riding above me. Pari is kneeling below me. I have worn a dark dress. I have worn a light dress. The nib of my pencil is blunt. The nib of my pencil is sharp. My boat is floating. My boat is sinking. This is light. This is heavy. She is sad. She is happy. This is front. This is back. I have a big teddy. I have a small teddy. This bottle is empty. This bottle is full. This teddy is fat. This teddy is thin.
This way you can enhance your vocabulary. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. See you soon.